Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. I'll start with ICE Brent crude oil futures. A second bullish white soldier yesterday and a follow-on higher to the previous session's immediate countering bullish army that tried to disguise itself as an indecisive spinning top, as well as what turned out to be also the prior two-day bullish meeting lines pattern. What was also interesting about yesterday was how it was the first clear close over the recent 61.8% Fibonacci line at 122.99 since early March. Overall, the market continues to move up and away from two descending triangle patterns formed since March. Potential targets on the upside for these descending triangles, as well as for the double stroke triple bottoms formed over the same period, are as follows. For the larger March to April descending triangle, I have a potential primary target X1 in the 132.10 area. For harder to get, secondary target X2 in the 147.30 area. For the smaller March to April descending triangle, I had a primary target X3 in the 120.5 area, which was reached last week. And there's harder to get secondary target X4 in the 129.20 area. For the double stroke triple bottom pattern, I have a potential target X5 in the 126.5 area. Okay, hope you've got all that. The next significant resistance is the April 2012 high at 125.96. So far today, well, nothing much. Resting on the 61.8% Fibonacci line below and capped by yesterday's high and looking like an indecisive doji cross right now. Spot gold, an indecisive spinning top yesterday. The market is still sitting in between the flatlining long moving average below, currently at 1843, and the 50% Fibonacci line, the March 21 to March 22 move at 1873. That sits above. It continues to be very much like watching someone treading water. A lot going on, but going nowhere. We still have nearby the broken upper time, currently at 1780 of the early March to late April bearish Andrews pitchfork. I really would like to tidy up this daily chart and retire this pitchfork. But as long as we maintain these unmoving actions, I feel obliged to keep it on here. And before you ask, no, I have chosen not to draw a bearish shift pitchfork for the same moves, as every time I start, I see that it adds up nothing to the current situation. So far today, a slightly lower open and a very small dip towards the long moving average, but cautiously. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.